Hyundai has established itself as a leader in electric vehicles, and the Ioniq 6 sedan is a torchbearer for the Korean automaker's sharp design and cutting-edge technology. This stylish EV combines a long driving range with eye-catching looks and lots of features, all at a reasonably attractive price point. It shares many components with the boxier Ioniq 5 SUV but packages them in a sleeker, more aerodynamic shape. Both EVs are recent recipients of our EV of the Year award, with the Ioniq 6 taking the crown for 2023. The Ioniq 6 comes with either rear or all-wheel drive and a choice of 2 battery packs, the larger of which provides an EPA-estimated driving range of 361 miles, a number that beats even the Tesla Model 3. Our real-world results weren't quite as impressive, but the Ioniq 6 is nonetheless a top performer, with fast charging, quick acceleration, and a spacious interior is good. Hyundai has emphasized lounge-like comfort in its Ioniq models so far, and the 6 is no exception. The cabin shows a similarly modern minimalist aesthetic to the Ioniq 5, and its flat floor aids the feeling of spaciousness inside. As a conventional 4-door sedan, it offers space for 5 across 2 rows of seating. Hyundai has gone to great lengths to ensure a quiet cabin, with several layers of sound-deadening material sandwiched between the floor and the carpeting. The cargo area inside the trunk may not rival that of a hatchback or crossover, but the rear seats fold to expand the space back there. Both a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen are offered. The Ioniq 6 uses the same software as other Hyundai models, which incorporate BlueLink for connectivity functions and link with smartphones using either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The Ioniq 6 shares its platform with the Ioniq 5 SUV. Its powertrain mostly mirrors that model's offerings. The base 6 makes 149 horsepower and has a single electric motor powering the rear wheels. Single-motor cars equipped with the long-range battery pack have 225 horsepower. The more expensive 320 horsepower dual-motor versions provide all-wheel drive thanks to front and rear electric motors and come only with the bigger battery. So far, we've tested the RWD long range, which got to 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds, and the AWD long range, which was much quicker and sprinted to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. While the Ioniq SXS ride is smooth and its cabin is well isolated and quiet, its handling is still plenty engaging. Its low center of gravity gives it a planted feel in corners, and its steering wheel paddles allow the driver to select different modes of regenerative braking on the fly. We don't yet have range ratings for the 2024 Ioniq 6, but we don't expect it to change from 2023. Last year, the EPA estimated that Ioniq 6 had a maximum driving range of 361 miles. The Ioniq 6 SE RWD long range, which is the model that achieves that rating, has a 58-mile advantage over the longest-range Ioniq 5. The all-wheel drive Ioniq 6 Limited is rated at 270 miles, which is still an impressive showing for the shortest-range Ioniq 6. The RWD long-range Ioniq 6 completed our 75 miles per hour real-world highway range test at 100 miles under its EPA estimate, with 260 miles of range. The AWD model came closer to its EPA estimate in the real world, achieving a 75 miles per hour highway range of 220 miles in our testing. The EPA gives the rear-drive Ioniq 6 SE long range an estimated 140 MPGe combined rating. For more information about the Ioniq SXS fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. While the Ioniq 6 that's earmarked for sale in the United States won't come with the Korean market version's cool camera-based exterior mirrors, Hyundai equips our version with all manner of driver assistance tech to make up for it. For more information about the Ioniq SX's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include 1. Standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. 2. Standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. 3. Standard adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature. Hyundai provides one of the best warranty plans in the industry. Likewise, it comes with an impressive amount of complimentary scheduled maintenance. 1. Limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. 2. Powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. 3. Battery is covered for 10 years or 100,000 miles. 4. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.
9. Received the Motor Week Driver's Choice Best EV Award for 2024. Last year, the 2023 Kia F6 also received the